Hello friends, September 4th ஓட current affairs quiz என்னன்னு பார்த்துடலாம். F-16 jets recently seen in news belongs to which of the following country? Taiwan, USA, Russia or China? Answer is USA. Choose the correct statement. Sikkim was the first state in the world to become completely organic. Statement 1 was correct. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana was started to encourage organic farming in the country. Statement 2 also correct. So answer is both. The Abraham Accord recently signed between which of the following two countries? USA, Russia, Israel, Palestine, Israel, United Arab Emirates or Iraq, Syria? Answer is C. Israel and United Arab Emirates. Atal Tunnel is being built under dash in Himachal Pradesh. Rohtang Pass, Lanakla Pass, Nathula Pass, Jojila Pass. Answer is Rohtang Pass. Choose the correct statement regarding former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. His birth anniversary observed as Good Governance Day. Statement 1 was correct. He inaugurated the Delhi-Lahore bus service in 1999. Statement 2 also correct. So answer is both. Anti-drug action plan for 2020-21 was launched by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Social Justice, Chemicals and Fertilizers, Health and Family Welfare. Answer is Social Justice. Space bricks for the surface of the moon is produced by researchers of Indian Institute of Science, IIT Delhi, Indian Space Research Organizations or ANC. Answer is ANC, that is both Indian Institute of Science and Indian Space Research Organizations. Which year Anglo-Manipuri War was concluded? 1891, 1895, 1905, 1907. Answer is 1891. Recently, Tamil Nadu government formed a committee to study new draft environment impact assessments, that is EIA, with how many members? 5, 7, 10, 12. Answer is 12. Prime Minister announces health identity card for each Indian under which of the following missions? Arogya Seva, Ayushman Bharat, Digital Health Survey. Answer is Digital Health, that is National Digital Health Scheme. Which of the following ministry launched tribal health and nutrition portal called Swasthya and Alek? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Home Affairs. Answer is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Choose the correct statement regarding Bifidobacteria. It is called as a good bacteria, normally live in intestines and stomach. Statement 1 was correct. It helps for the human's body's digestion and starving of harmful bacteria. So statement 2 correct. So answer is both. Indian Railways is constructing world tallest pier project in Manipur, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh or Nagaland. Answer is Manipur. Navroz festival is recently seen in news celebrated by Parsi people, Gond tribes, Naga tribes, Singpho tribes. Answer is Parsi people. Yasukuni Shrine is located in which of the following country? Japan, Cambodia, Philippines, Indonesia. Answer is Japan. Choose the correct statement. Janani Suraksha Yojana is to promote institutional deliveries. So statement 1 was correct. It provides monetary assistance to the mother to meet the cost of delivery. So statement 2 correct. So answer is both. National Green Tribunal Act was enacted in 2005, 2010, 2015 or 2016. Answer is 2010. Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park is located in which of the following state? Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal or Sikkim? Answer is West Bengal. The headquarters of New Development Bank is in Shanghai, Moscow, Cape Town, Beijing. Answer is Shanghai. The Special Economic Zone Policy was reviewed in 2018 by the committee under the chairmanship of N.K. Singh, Bimal Jalan, Urjit Patel, Baba Kalyani. Answer is Baba Kalyani. So that's all friends. இன்னைக்கான குவிஸ் பார்த்தாச்சு. டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்கிற ஃபேஸ்புக் சேனல், யூடியூப் சேனல், டெலிகிராம் சேனல் எல்லாத்தையும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணி ஜாயின் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. மீண்டும் நாளைக்கு வேறு ஒரு 20 கொஸ்டின்ஸோட சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.